Okay, go.
Hey, this is Melody's from Melody's Raw Inspiration. We're having a food demo, and we're going to be doing zucchini noodles. A quick, easy recipe for dinner, quick and easy. You get a spiral, you get your zucchini. We're just going to put it in there, and we're going to turn it. Look at those noodles, oodles. And you can get an electric one if you want to make it quicker. This only takes 3 minutes. Look at those noodles. Aren't those noodles pretty? But just like spaghetti. But these are healthier for you. And zucchini and squash is very filling. And it's pretty and it's vibrant. So we'll do that one. And if you don't want the color, you can always peel them, but then you're peeling away some of the nutrients that God has provided for us from this amazing food that He has created. There's probably over thousands and thousands of fruits and vegetables that God has provided, and the Americans on the SAD diet probably only eat 10%. We have crushed garlic, lemon juice, and olive oil. And for ladies and men that's out there, if you have any blemishes on your face and you're looking for something to lighten them up, you can take sliced lemons and just rub it on your spot every single day. And in probably like 2 weeks, you'll begin to see that spot lightening up. So we put our lemon juice, crushed garlic, and olive oil in here. And then we have our herbs, which we have thyme, some rosemary, some oregano, and basil. And when I bag these up, I don't know if I put my salt in there, so we're going to taste this first before I add any salt. And so anyway, you just stir that up. Bam! I'm just going to pour it in our oodles. Let's get my little thing here. And if you wanted to have a creamier dressing, you would take half a cup of soaked cashews. You would put them in your NutriBullet, and you would blend them up until they get nice and creamy, and then you mix them in. And bam, we have this amazing dinner. Less than